What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This is the 1 pound red wiggler bin. I'm noticing I have some worms crawling on the sides. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the coffee filter and just lightly brushing the sides down. Try to knock anybody that I see kind of right back into the bin. So the feeding was over here. We'll check on that first. Oh, the pineapple. Cool. Another piece. Okay. I'll pop this back down to the bottom. This is a wild one. So, with growing some of the sweet potatoes, I have some sweet potato leaves. I guess my carrots didn't thaw out all the way, but I'll put that kind of more on top of the leaves. Toss them a couple strawberries. That should just about do it. Jeez. As I always say, don't breathe in that dust. Right over top the feeding. I'm going to add a little bit of that worm chow I made up. And the worm chow, it has the flour, cornmeal, and ground up oats with a little bit of eggshell sprinkled in. Okay, that's going to be it for this bin. I'll check out the worm chow bin / the one that had the slugs. Let me just look around. There was just one worm kind of hanging on the side. Nothing on that top sheet. Little pill bug. But nothing on the top or the middle. A couple little worms down here. Okay. So, right here was the last feeding. Still has a chunk of that pineapple. To be honest with you, I don't know what the heck that was. That might have been, maybe from the inside of the asparagus. Yeah, see how it's all kind of stringy. Couple worms hanging out on the chunk of pineapple. Another chunk of pineapple. Okay. I think today's the day that I feed on this side. Looks like a monstrous pill bug there. Okay. Wow, it looks like We're starting to make some castings underneath. Okay, so we'll pop the old feeding in first. We got the carrots, some lettuce, a little bit of that sweet potato leaves, and some strawberries. Hopefully start to entice more worms over into this area. Hit them with the ground eggshells. A little bit more of that worm chow right over the top. This will be the last use of this coffee filter because it has seen better days. Hopefully it'll still be around for the next check-in. Thought I seen something over here. So, because that was the wet side, I'll keep that down. Okay, well thanks for coming along, checking out the updates on the 2 bins. Pretty soon I will be doing a harvest on the castings in this bin. For the most part, I'm not going to try to really put these in the garden because this is the one that had the slugs in it. So I'll probably start doing a couple worm compost tea and trying to use it up kind of in that fashion. So, well, thanks for coming along, checking it out, everybody. Have a great day.